Can you show me like what I'm doing wrong here? Because something is like knotted. From the store. I'm about to take these braids out and go wash my hair. Alright, so wait, let me see. I'm about to wash my hair. I'm going to be using Dove Hair Therapy Dry Scalp Care Shampoo. Then for the deep conditioner, I'm going to be using TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I will be trying it out for the first time right now. And I'm excited. I'm really excited because, you know, I'm getting out of my comfort zone and being daring. Alright, so wish me luck first before I actually use it. Of course, I gotta smell. Ooh. Definitely smell the honey. And the consistency, okay. The creator of this was breast cancer survivor. So I am about to take this hairstyle out because I have a sensitive scalp. And this ponytail back here is tight. I feel like this is just giving me a headache. But so far I actually like the hairstyle. Oh, I could have like really went all out. Actually. Oh. Wait. Now I really look like I have a mullet. Well, don't look too hard on the side. I'm so tired. Okay, so I'm not too sure how I feel about this hairstyle. I'm currently trying to take my hair out, but I wanted to show you, like, I don't know if you can see, but Can you show me like what I'm doing wrong here? Because something is like knotted or stuck. I don't know. Hope you can see this. I can't even see what you guys can see right now. It's like wrapped around my hair tie. You know how sometimes, like, I guess if you tie your hair and then other hair gets into it and then it like wraps around your hair tie? Okay, I think I got it. Some hair may have came out in the process, but it's okay, it happens. Okay, bye. I'm actually about to wash my hair again. I realized that today's the day that I need to film my fall natural hair video. I should have not actually washed and conditioned my hair on Wednesday, and I should have just waited till today, but hopefully my hair's gonna be okay. Today's Saturday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's been 3 days. Ooh, hopefully I'm not messing up my hair overly doing it. So let's get this filmed. I'm about to go to the gym now. I thought I was filming it when I could just show you real quick. Just so you can see the before, just to see if there's any difference in my hair before I go to the gym. Alright, so this is how my hair is now. Still frizzy at the top, but I just did it, so this is the braid out. And now for the gym, I'm just gonna So I'm going to be looking at my hair and seeing if it messed up. I usually walk to the gym with my boyfriend, and it was raining last night, of course. It was like sprinkling, and I didn't have any protection on my head, so hopefully that didn't mess up my hair, but we shall see. I'm about to get ready to go to the store, grocery store really quick, run some errands. I didn't put a gel on my hair or anything, so I don't expect the hold to be that perfect, which is probably why my hair is as frizzy as it is as well, because there was like no gel. Oh yeah, I am going to, oh yeah, I forgot that I have a dance class today. Oh, I need to hurry up then. Yeah, my hair's pretty frizzy at the top. Oh my gosh, what the? You've been doing this on purpose, I swear. You do this on purpose. I did not hear you come in at all. Did you guys hear any footsteps? It was literally silent like a ghost. You've been playing with my nerves, and one day you're gonna get drop kicked. Don't even. Why are your hands so feel like you've been sweating?
Maybe I have.
Why? Because I've been making you so hot. now. Okay, bye. Refreshing my last day of wearing this old braid out. This stuff is strong, so I don't like breathing it in. Now I'm gonna put my hair scrunched. Oh gosh. I feel like this does something to my hair. Or maybe it's just the idea of it, but feels a little more refreshed and something. I don't know, there's something about it. We'll play with it. This is what I decided to do. Done, ready. All right, I'm gonna rush now. I gotta go leave. This is how the hair turned out though. Really cute, really nice. I used products right here. And that is the end of my week. Since this was a shorter video today, I'm going to add in comment of the day. It's actually a question. So the question is, do you have single strand knots? And if so, how do you minimize them, or do you think it does anything? I don't really experience single strand knots that often. I feel like I experienced it more towards the beginning of my natural hair journey. I don't know, but I feel like as my hair has grown, I feel like my pattern has been more stretched out. I don't know how to describe it, but the point is I don't experience single strand knots that often, but when I do, I usually like to cut them out because I know you're not supposed to pull them. That causes breakage. With my shear scissors, which is meant to cut, which is what you should be cutting when you're cutting your hair. You shouldn't use regular scissors. And then I'll just go in and cut them out. That's the only really way that you can get rid of them. If you try to pull them and tug at them, they're gonna cause breakage. So if you want to prevent breakage, you just gotta cut them out. What causes the single strand knots is pretty much your hair at the ends getting bind together and coiled in together, especially when you have wash and goes. Wash and goes can cause a lot of single strand knots if you have tighter curls or you experience a lot of shrinkage. If you're gonna do wash and goes and you know you're prone to getting single strand knots, just make sure after you do your wash and goes and it dries completely, then you stretch your wash and goes, because your hair, if your hair is in a stretch state, then it's not going to be able to coil back up and get all knotted and tangled together, which causes the single strand knots. Then also try to make sure that you're getting your regular trims, because if your ends are damaged, they're gonna cause more knotting at the end. Just try to trim your hair like once or twice a year. I don't know, everybody's different, so it's like different when it comes to trims, or go and get it done if you don't trust yourself with trimming, which I wouldn't advise. I'll always say with trimming or cutting your hair, you should definitely go to a professional first. I've heard that oiling your ends really helps to prevent them from drying up and tangling up at the ends as well. So those are the 3 things that I can say right now. And I think just overall keeping your hair moisturized, or trying to keep, especially your ends, because once again, once your ends are dry, they tend to tangle up more, because you know, just the friction and the dryness of the ends can cause like a lot of knotting and tangles and stuff. So if you tried those things and you need some more tips, I will link a link in the description box that will give you more tips on how to prevent single strand knots. But as far as dealing with them, the only real way that I know is and that I've heard of is to just trim it off, and that's it. Hopefully that helps. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or anything that you want me to answer the next week in my hair video, leave them down below. Or if not, leave a heart just so I know you watched until the end and you enjoyed the video and you want me to do more of these. I'm looking cray right now. I'm actually about to start a whole nother week in my hair video, so hearts for more.